Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is June 15, 2018, and today is Friday morning. So looking at the economic events of the day, just earlier this morning, out of Japan, we had monetary policy statement coming out. That was at 4:41 South African time, and then we had a Bank of Japan press conference that followed. So a couple really important events coming out of Japan earlier this morning, but we'll take a look at that in just a moment. But let's see what's been happening in the markets at large. So we're taking a look here at the Euro USD, and as you can see, a big nosedive yesterday after the rate decision yesterday from the ECB. And so this is really a correctional move in the market, and we look at a daily chart, we'll see that we're just almost at our double bottom of where we slid from 124, 125-ish to the 115-ish level. And this is really a major correction for the Euro USD. I mean, if we break this level at 105, I'm scared to say that we may find ourselves back into this 105-ish level if we break this 115-ish level. So this is really an important point to really have a correctional move in the markets. Now jumping into the GBP USD, now this kind of looks strong compared to the Euro USD, as we were saying yesterday that the Euro vis-a-vis the GBP was stronger, but as you can see, it's getting weaker as well, but not as weak as the Euro. So, keep in mind that these are correctional moves. I wouldn't look to pick a bottom yet. I would wait for some sort of consolidation, some sort of level where we see that we're not going to get further down, and then maybe play the correctional move. But at this stage, dollar getting stronger across the board, and if you look at the Swiss franc, we finally broke that trend line. Okay, we initially thought that we would get to that trend line and maybe sell off, and sure enough, we didn't. We maintained this trend line and continued up on this upper range here. So this is really vital for it to challenge this one level, okay, which is right here above this double top. So if it doesn't break above it, then maybe we'll have that correctional move. But as it stands, the trend is your friend, and the dollar is getting stronger across the board. Looking at the USD back into the 1343 level. Now this one, just keep in mind that we've really made a saucer out of this move. If you look, it's like a cup, and basically looking at the daily chart. Now, how much further could we go up? Well, above this level, if we break 1350, we could get back into the 1435 area. Okay, the dollar is getting stronger. And looking at the other markets, Dow Jones yesterday sold off a little bit further, but if we close in at this 25,000, maybe that will be a support level, as it was a previous resistance level, to take it up on the upside. That's something to take into consideration as we continue to trade further in the day. DAX looking kind of strong here, DAX, looking at the DAX right now, 13,162. So we're right back at those levels, okay? But I do want to see that breakout, okay? And it's really important to see that breakout on the upper level on the DAX. If we look at a 4-hour chart, you could see that we're back at 13,000. So it's really important to, find ourselves above 13,200. Maybe we'll get back to 13,500-ish level. That's really an important level to really get back to. So looking here at the Japanese yen, as you can see, we're at the top of the move as well at 110. Okay, so further, if it does break this 111-ish level, that's really an important level on the upside, because then we could get back into the 114, 115-ish level. And if we do create a new, upwards trend, this would be the start of it. Okay, so just a lot of rotations in the market. It has been volatile. We're in the middle of June. Still lots of, time left, from now until, August, to continue trading in Forex, as the indices are going to get a little bit quieter now that the summer is coming. So lots happening as always, but you got to be in it to win it. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.